Some few Windows 11 features that are actually cool. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Let us discuss on some of the features that has been added to Windows 11 which are very useful. The first one is of File Explorer. So for that you can open your File Explorer and you will notice a plus button by which you can add tabs to your File Explorer. However, you cannot interchange the tabs in between in current version. Similarly, the other feature that has been added to Windows 11 is of File Explorer as well. For that, if you go to the Home tab of the File Explorer, inside the Quick Access section, you will notice that you can actually pin your folders. For that, you just have to right-click on your folder and click on Pin to Quick Access. This way, it will be remain pinned on the Quick Access. For the third version, you have the voice typing. If you go to your desktop and press Windows plus H, then a voice typing will open. Once that is done, you can talk and it will start typing. If you click on the settings menu, you can even turn on automatic punctuation. Similarly, the next cool feature is of snapping of the tabs. For that, if you click on the minimize button, you can select through various snapping tools, and that way it will be arranged. Next cool feature of the Windows 11 is touchpad gestures. For that, you can right-click on the Start button and go to Settings. Here you have to click on Bluetooth and Devices. Under this, you have to select the touchpad settings. This way you have different options given for the gestures and interaction by which you can manually edit your touchpad. So these were some of the cool features. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.